This is a portaband. This is a portable bandsaw that we're gonna be using to cut our Unistrut. And now that I've marked my spot on my strut, I'm going to use my portaband to cut it. Now, a couple of important things. Number one, you're gonna be creating metal shavings. Don't do this inside somebody's carpet. That's just rude.
How rude.
In this example, we've got concrete. We can just sweep it off. That's no problem. When you're using a bandsaw to cut, you want to make sure that you're cutting straight. A lot of times people use their bandsaw at like an angle, and what ends up happening is they cut at an angle, and that creates, you know, sharp edges and messes stuff up. So we want to make sure that we're just kind of going straight down. As you can see, the portaband does a really good job of just cutting through the Unistrut. All right, excellent.